Students, today we'll learn global linking. It's a kind of hyperlink and it is called global because it can be used for creating link between a web page and different website. That means a web page will be linked with a different website. Let's see how it can be created. For this, as usual, we'll have to go to the notepad for typing the HTML codes. As always I do it, always I type it before I start the class. You see I have typed these codes only. For hyperlink, we have to add extra code. You see inside the body tag, a href is needed and equal to, here we need the website with which this page will be linked. Let's say I have taken one website, that is our Guwahati University website. For this, we should give the full address. That is always started with http:// the full address is www.guwahati.ac.in is the website, and in between we need some text for clicking. I have written one related text, Guwahati, let's say Guwahati University website. It will be meaningful for this. After that, we'll enclose this text with a tag. I have to give / close a tag, closing a tag. Okay, for this what I have typed, it's very simple. We need the address here. Address means this page will be linked with which? It will be linked with this website. So we'll go from this page to this website. Guwahati.ac.in. It is a Guwahati University website. I have written in between a particular one meaningful text. It will give you an idea, give us an idea about the website. I have written the name, given the name like Guwahati University website. I have enclosed the text in between it. After that, same procedure. After finishing the codes, we should type it. We should save it. Save it. Like go to all files. Here, I'll give the name as page 4. Let's say today's file. Save it page 4. Page 4 of HTML. It is in the HTML class folder. Now save it. Okay, it is saved now. Now we'll close it. Now we'll go to the folder for viewing the web page. Double click. After clicking, you see we have got a link to Guwahati University website. That is now linked. This text is linked. That's why you have got blue color underline. It has become blue color underlined automatically. And after we have to now click it. We have got this symbol. That means there is a link. You click it. You see what is it? It is Guwahati University website. It's the home page. This is the Guwahati University website. We have got, you see, I have connected. This is our web page. We have clicked on this and we have gone to this website. See, this is a Guwahati University website. Directly we can go. But the important point is that I have connected now my laptop with internet. That's why I got the website directly. If you don't have internet connection, then actually you will not get to see the website. For getting the website, we must have internet connection. You see now again, directly by clicking on the link, I have gone from my web page to the website. Okay. This is called global link. Thank you.